All right, another tutorial on how to access Google Docs and Google Drive. So if you're not a Chrome user, this may be new to you. So I'm going to open a new tab. Noblesville Schools, we always use Google Chrome. So if you don't see it, it should be in your toolbar down at the bottom. It's this green, yellow, and red circle here down in the bottom of my toolbar. So that's Chrome. I would advise to use that instead of Safari and instead of Firefox. Always go to Chrome. So when you're in Chrome, you may need to log in at first so you can see I'm logged in. I can sign out. Once you're logged in, and again, it's just your Noblesville Schools email and your Noblesville Schools password. Once you're logged in, you should see this waffle here on the top of the screen in the top right-hand corner. So if you click on that, you should have the different Chrome tools that you can use. So Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, all those things. This is one of those tools that I think could really be utilized more with students. You can embed Google Docs into a Canvas page so students can edit in real time, and then you can also see their edits and provide some conferring information for them. I also think it would help for students to feel like they have social connections and relationships with other students if they are working collaboratively on a document. So these might be really great tools. So I'm on a MacBook Air. If you're working on an iPad or a student iPad, you're going to have to go to the app portal and make sure you have the Google Drive app, make sure you have the Google Docs app. I would also make sure you have the Gmail app just in case you utilize that as a way to communicate with students. So the students will either have to load it or it might be on there already. I'm not certain, but they will have to have the app to be able to access whatever. And they'll also need to log in with their school email, username, and password.